Try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see in the screen, category location and there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 5.0, which is the possible. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Of this property, so you can see on the screen, please require the present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The property is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms numbers are available online for this property, along with reviews and company policies and regard times. Provided in the description. For more details, check link in description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will assist you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. Thank you.